our buddies at Stofers, the French bread people. They've come up with a advent calendar. It's their inaugural Stofers comfort calendar. It features a gingerbread house design, and it's filled with 7 different meals. It's huge. You can't tell how big it is here, but it's a big, anyway. I mean, I don't know if you can tell by the size. I don't think you can. Let me see if I can see the size on the video. This is on Instagram. All she's doing is taking the top off. But it looks pretty substantial. It's $40, which isn't bad, I guess. But you get 7 different, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different dinners in it. And they're all frozen. You get family-sized mac and cheese, lasagna with meat sauce, chicken bacon ranch bowl, broccoli cheddar pasta bake. Oh, that's a side. And then another side, home-style mashed potatoes. Then you get, of course, the pepperoni French bread pizza. Another pepperoni drop today. That's good. And then ultimate 5-cheese mac. So they're having another drop. Well, they're dropping these 4 times. And their merch is it's there. They've got socks. Sides are the best part. They've got a shirt. They've got a dog shirt that's kind of fun. It says Sidekick on it. But this advent calendar is kind of cool. It's just big. And I guess, you have one a day. Most advent calendars are like 12, right? Like 12 days of Christmas. Anyway, I don't know how things work. I never pay attention to this kind of stuff. Stofers. There you go. The takeaway I have for this is, you can employ themed limited edition merch to drive excitement because limited edition makes it exciting. I've kind of learned that in my old age. I used to think, why don't they make 10,000? Well, because they want people to get fired up about it. So you make limited edition product bundles during peak seasons. It says to alleviate customer pain points. I don't think so. I think if you're out of something and people get frustrated, they don't like it, but creates buzz. But you get a couple hundred people fired up about it. I think it's awesome. That's all I have about that one. Stofers. I like Stofers.